And like as we were saying, I pick up music is part of our daily life, although it's impossible to describe music in words. We can argue what we would consider good versus bad music, but we can all agree that music is made up of sounds, vocal sounds, guitar sounds, piano sounds, electronic sounds. The list goes on, and that all music relies on sound as the vehicle delivers the message to the audience. But what is sound? What do we hear, and how the sound of the outer reaches us, and the behavior and character of sound? Here's a little physics from this compound.
Sound is a form of energy, just like electricity and light. And sound energy is a form of energy related with the vibration of matter and the movement of energy through substances like air, gas, or solids, but no vacuum. So for the Star Wars fans in here in the universe, there is no sounds. And we will show later how some examples of visible effects of this specific sound energy. And typically, the energy in sounds is far less than the other forms of energy, such as electrical or kinetic energy. But sound is still like a form of energy, and energy can be visualized, and we can feel also energy. In constructing sound, there must be a source for sounds, a vibrating objects. Vibrating objects, for example, the speaker here produces the sound that travels to our ears, and then our brain recognizes and says like, okay, well, I hear that sound, I recognize that sound. So generally speaking, sound is the physical sensation that stimulates our ears, as we will see later, not only that. And when vibrating molecules move, the energy is transferred through the substances in a wave, the longitudinal wave, which with two particular regions, the so-called compression, where the density, where the pressure is more and the density of the medium is more, or the other region is called rarefaction, where the pressure is less and the density of the material is less. And that's exactly what also happens in our body when sound energy travels through compression and rarefaction, reaches upwards.